little accident. Uh-oh. Oh no, your wedding ring. Oh no. Okay, we're on day 3. We just got back from Walmart.
Hi.
Hi. And let's see, we've got all kinds of great.
No.
No, the painter's tape is just for like windowsills. You don't need painter's tape.
Yeah, I want to do a design. Or when I get
In the closet?
In the yellow.
Okay. So Emily is going to be painting her closet white. Jasmine's going to do a black accent wall where her desk and vanity area is going to be. And I'm going to do an accent wall in Erin's room of black. So we got black, white, black.
And then after I'm done with the black, I need to paint my entire rest of my room white.
Yes.
Yes.
And so we've got all kinds of great stuff here. And then Emily's got these hollow letters.
Jasmine,
I meant Jasmine. I meant to say Jasmine. Jasmine,
I have some left over.
you might want to put those away.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
I mean, the leftover ones you can have.
All right, so let me show you guys some of the stuff that I brought from the house. Some essentials that you're gonna need. Yeah, go ahead. Coffee. We brought a coffee pot. So now we have a coffee pot at the house and we have a coffee pot here at this house. And then sugar, coffee filters, which I probably could have brought a little bit more coffee filters. Coffee and the coffee pot. And then we also, one of our favorite snacks is popcorn. So we brought popcorn, oil, and a lid. We got paper towels. That is a must-have when you are moving into a new house. I have some hand towels for the bathrooms and then some kitchen towels. So I have soap, St. Patrick's Day towel, more towels, sippy cups, for Erin, because he's still not 100% good with a cup yet. He's only 3. Sippy cups, some silverware, 2 bowls, 2 plates, and an extra trash bag. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the cabinet and teach the girls how to paint. Hi.
Love being tall. It's so much easier. This is the very first part right here that I painted. So it's dragging that. It's kind of splotchy for some reason. I was going fast.
Okay, I need to ask you, did you start here and work your way over?
No, I started here.
Because you can't go over paint that's already tacky.
I know,
like, you can't go over this again.
Until it dries.
Yeah.
See all this paint splatter?
Yep.
I guess I used too much force when I used the roller.
I guess so. It's looking good though.
Thank you. It's also on the floor.
Yeah, that's okay.
But I'm gonna get flooring anyway. So.
You can do the baseboards in your closet, okay, with that same paint.
I was going to.
All right.
I was already doing these.
Okay. Looking good.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow.
Okay, it is, what time is it? I don't know, the sun is going down. It's dark outside. And I'm in Jasmine's room. And let me show you guys the progress we've made so far. It's matte black, it's just wet right now. It's the second coat, right?
Yes.
Second coat.
Oh, hello! You have paint in your hair?
Oh yeah, I knew you had paint in your hair, girl. Let's see your hair.
I can't untangle it.
Wait, you're getting your hair in the black paint now.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
Yo, I can't untangle it.
We're at the Restore, the Habitat for Humanity Restore in Tampa. And we just got this beautiful long piece of quartz Isn't this quartz? As you can see, we had a little accident. Uh-oh. Did it break? You dropped it? Oh no, your wedding ring.
Look. Look.
Oh my God. Oh no. Oh man. Did we break this too? No. So
See,
we're
I was just setting it on this. I thought it was on this. And it was my ring. That piece of ring is holding that whole thing up.
our wedding ring split in half. The back door was up here, and when I pulled forward for him to pull that out,
The windshield wiper
it got caught.
caught here and it twisted the windshield wiper, popping the back window.
Oh my gosh. It's my husband's wedding ring. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are at the new house, and we're eating popcorn. We got carrots and hell of a good dip. This stuff is amazing. I love it. The house is sick. Aaron should be at school right now, but he's sick, and so am I. So I've got my box of tissues and my box of used tissues. And then we're having our back window worked on. Stay right there. I'll be right back. So yeah, we're getting that repaired. Mount Everest. This is what we call this pile of carpet and padding, which is so gross. And my dust mask. But, come on up. Let's go up the stairs. Can you turn on the light? Flip the switch. Yay! All right. So we're gonna finish painting in here. If I can get the light on. Where's the light? Where's the light switch at? I don't know how this thing works. Oh, there we go. It's so weird. Oh, weird. All right, lights on, fans on. I need to do the bottom here, but I need to clean it up. It's very dirty. I don't want to paint over dirt. And then I need to do the top and the edge and edge this out. And then this is supposed to be white paint, but it's not really white. It's like a soft ivory. See, this stool is the white color that I wanted. This is more like a yellow. I mean, I did paint over a blue wall though. That could be why. So you can see the blue. But it still looks yellow. Somewhere up north it's snowing, and here it's just a nice misty rain, and it's 60 degrees, but it feels like it's 50. I haven't even started on my room yet. I haven't decided what color I want to do in here. It already looks gray in here, even though the paint is not gray. It looks gray in here. This is what I was talking about the other day, how they painted the walls. So even though I like this color, I have to paint over it because it looks so bad. They did such a horrible job. 2019 color trends. Ooh, let's open this up and see what the color trends are. Clearly, this green is a trend, thanks to Joanna Gaines and her Hand and Hearth collection. But let's see, we've got, ooh, Night Watch, color of the year. It's almost black, but when the sun hits it, it's like a hunter green, which was so popular in the 90s. But that's the color. I've seen kitchen cabinets done that color before. Oh, more floor samples. So this is, what is this? Allure plank, grip strip, plank flooring, khaki oak. Sample thickness does not represent product thickness. Oh, okay. All right. So I don't know what it actually is. And then this one, Pergo Outlast, cashmere oak, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeters. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to do anything today. I just want to crawl under the covers and go to sleep. I took some Dimetap, and Aaron also had some children's Sudafed. Well, he's done. $341.70 later, got my window replaced. That was money that was going to go towards flooring in our house.